Hello guys, this is Nairobi town, and this part, this is the basilica. This is the tower of basilica. So this is the uh, international shrine of them. I think something like for you can find this in the money, this building. So this is the town in Nairobi, guys. See, okay, yeah, this is Nairobi town. Welcome to Nairobi, Kenya, guys. The basilica. This is the guard house. Oh, this is the adoration chapel. This is the parking lot. uh, so this is Nairobi town, guys. This is Nyayaw house. This is the Nyayaw house where you can renew your passport, get your alien card, visa and everything. Okay, so karibu sana, karibu. And this is one of the famous icon in Kenya, that building.